Welcome to Booze Motors. Here's everything wrong with my 1989 mk1 mx5, also known as a Unos Roadster. We've got flaking paintwork, a little bit more there on the back bumper. We've got the normal rust that you expect on a mk1 mx5 wheel arch. More rust here just inside the driver's door. We've got scabby wheels here that definitely need a refurb. Coming around to the interior, we've got missing bits of trim, broken bits of trim, more missing bits of trim. We've got door cards that are loose and creak while you drive and really wind you up. We've also got a glove box that also rattles, driving you absolutely insane as you're driving along. None of the interior lights work either. One there, one there. Ignore those, I was messing around with the radio the other day. Coming around to the engine bay, we've got a disgusting pod filter here that is now used no ornament, sucking hot air from the exhaust. Then we've also got a horrendous power steering leak dribbling onto the chassis legs there. And then we've also got a dodgy idle. Now, is it ropey? Yes. Is it roadworthy? Yes. Does it put a smile on your face while you drive it? Yes. Yeah, this car drives great. It's got new poly bushes on the front and back, new shocks, new ball joints everywhere. Comment down below if you'd like to see what I've spent and what I've fixed on my 2 years ownership of this car, or even see me fix some of the small issues. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, press that subscribe button.